Yeah, whoa, come on. No tiny one.
Wow, wow, look at this one. So which one should I start with? Which one we have a smaller one? We have a bigger one. Which one should I start with?
Yes, big one. Wow, this is so big.
Okay, so let's see. What kind of pearl can we get here? We have a smaller one, we have a big one. Which one should I start with? Thank you, Disara. Okay, I will start the smaller one. Okay, so let's see what kind of pearl can we get from smaller. First we check on both sides. Now on the both sides, we will check it in the middle. So wow, did you see the color? This is must be purple one. Must be a purple one. Look at this one. This one is must be purple one. Wow, really amazing this one. Look at this purple here. Look at this purple here.
Yeah, whoa, come on.
Thank you, Josie. Thank you so much. Wow, this is a purple Edison. The Edison, the color is really gorgeous. And let's measure what the size for you. This is Bristol. This is natural hose. So we can travel. We can drive it here, okay? So Maya, welcome Maya. Thank you, Maya. Thank you. Wow, this is Overton. Thank you, Maya. Thank you, Maya, honey. Thank you so much. Okay. Wow, let's see we have a bigger one. Thank you, Maya. Thank you much.
Thank you so much, baby.
So let's say, wow, we have a bigger one. This one must be really good.
Whoa, so big.
Oh, Angelica. Wow, Maya, this is a bigger one, a big oyster. Okay, so let's see what can we. Thank you, Amata. Oh, look at John. Thank you, Georgie. Thank you, Jamata. Thank you, Maya. Wow, first we check on both sides now. Thank you, Josie. Thank you, Angelica. Okay. So look at here. Thank you, Josie. Jonathan. Okay, so we check both sides now on the sides, so we will check in the middle. I hope this one will be really good one. So let's check together.
Whoa!
How can I buy the shell? Amita, thank you, Amita.
Amita.
Look at this here. Look at this one. So this one is the pearl is really beautiful.
No tiny one.
Wow, look at this one. Wow, this pearl is so beautiful. Angelica, are you still here? Would you like to be our moderator, Angelica? Angelica. 你看今年 Wow, this one, you look at this pearl. Wow, this pearl is the color is very lovely. Wow, congratulations, this one. So let's measure what's the size of this one. Thank you, Amita. Thank you so much. Oh, Angelica, would you like to be our moderator, Angelica?
Hi, baby.
Wow, this is over 11. Wow, congratulations.
Whoa, so big.
Angelica. Okay, you got you. I love this Shirley. Thank you, Angelica. I will make you to be our moderator. Thank you, Angelica, so much.
Yeah, Angelica.